Okay, I am showing you this really nice adhesive kimono patterned fiber tape. I have more than you can see selections. They're super beautiful, as you can tell. So I have about 20 plus design. So this is only the few one that I got updated recently. So they are adhesive, one-sided patterned sticky private tape. The size of them is approximately 5 cm long and 1 meter, 5 cm wide and 1 meter long. So I use it mostly for bookbinding, to be honest, because they make the perfect book grip for the traditional bookbinding. So I use it as a cloth cloth, but you can also make quite a lot of interesting things out of it for decorating your frame, all sorts of things. Anyway, sorry, it's kind of messy. So they are all available now in my shop, and the listing is on the description. So please visit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.